Morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Very warm good morning to my dear student. Check out your English Marigold book. Right? So are you ready with your book? Today we are going to learn very interesting poem, that is Bird Talk. What is the name of the poem? Bird Talk. So you have to sing with me. So let's listen what the robin and the jay have to say. What the robin and the jay have to say. So here you can see two birds are there. One is robin, another is joy. Have you seen before these two birds? So let's sing with me. Next day I will explain you each and every line. Today we will learn that poem. It's a very interesting poem. They are talking about a human. They are talking about a human being. They are talking about us. Okay. So here you can see, think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, think, think about the people, the way they grow, they don't have a feather to all you know. Okay, sing up with me. मेरे साथ सबको गाना है. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Sing with me. Okay. Again. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have a feather to all you know. They don't, they do not eat beetles. They do not grow wings. They do not like sitting on wet and think. Okay, think, said the robin, think, said the jay, think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have a feather to all you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on where and think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Did you enjoy? So now let's sing with me. Now this is your turn and I will be mute. Okay? So who will sing? Deshna. Start.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Start. No excuse. Sing. Sing with me. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have a feather at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on bed and think, said the robin, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Okay, Reshna? So practice and sing with me. Eklavya Jan, are you ready? Today we will learn this poem. So start. Sing with me. Think, said the robin.
So the tree
Sitting
sitting in the
the
garden,
garden, talking one day.
talking one day,
Good.
think
Think about the people,
the people,
the way
the
they
way
grow.
they
Do not, they don't have feather at all. You know, you know. Next paragraph. Next,
they
they don't eat
they
beetles. They don't
eat beetles. They
don't
don't
grow
grow.
wings.
They
They don't like
they don't
sitting
they don't like sitting
on
on
flags
way and
and
as
think,
think
said the
think said
robin,
the robin, think
think,
said the deer.
they
Aren't people
people funny
funny
to be
to
that
be
way, be that way.
that way? Be
Very good, very
that
good.
way.
Eklavya, I hope you have learned your dialogues because tomorrow Lavya and Eklavya, you have to
Yes, ma'am, I
converse in
learned.
the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
having period. Yes, third period you are having. So tomorrow you have to converse in the class, right? Next, Lavya, sing with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Sing with me. Think,
Yes, ma'am.
said the robin. Bolo.
Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay.
Jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Bolo. Think,
Sitting
said the
in the
robin.
garden.
शुरू से. Think,
Think in think, said the robin. Think, said
said
the
the
jay.
jay. Sitting,
Sitting in the garden. Talking one day.
good. Think
Think,
about the people.
think about the people. The was
The way they grow. The way they grow. Bolo.
the way
They grow.
they grow.
They do not, they don't have feathers.
The don't not
They
the
don't,
feathers.
they don't have a feather at all,
They
you know. Okay, again, next
It-
paragraph. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on vase and think. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Okay, Lavya, you have to practice at home. Next, who will sing with me? Prisha. Now, Prisha, ready? After that, Pratyush, be ready. I will ask you. After Prisha, Prisha, sing with me.
Things said
The
the
robin.
in the garden.
Nay, Prisha, listen carefully. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Okay, so now start.
Things said the robin. Things
Think,
said the
said the jay. Sitting
sitting in the
in the
garden.
garden,
Talking
talking one day. Very good, well done. Next para.
think about people.
The way they grow, they don't have a feather at all, you know. You know. Next para. They don't eat beetles.
Not, they do not grow
Not do
wings.
not. You have to say like this. Don't. They don't eat
They
beetles. They
wings
don't grow wings.
on the wheel and
They don't like sitting on wells and things.
said the rabbit.
Think,
Think said the deer and people funny to be that way.
very good, Prisha. Well done. Practice again. I will ask you again. Now, Pratyush, be ready. Pratyush, ready?
Yes,
Start. Pratyush, where is your book? Where is your book? Pratyush, where is your book, beta? Chalo, start. Pratyush, where are you, Pratyush?
Said the robin.
Sitting in the garden.
Said that in the garden. Talk on one day.
Very good. Think about the people, the way they grow.
The way
Bologe? Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have a feather.
don't
They don't
have
feather.
feather. They don't
All you know.
don't feather. Owls knew.
Very good. They don't eat beetles. Bolo.
They don't eat beetles. They don't have
Groovy.
growings. They don't like sitting
Very good.
on
Bells and things.
and thing.
Think.
The sad
Think.
robin
Say last.
think
Think.
that the
Said the
robin
robin. Think. In
think
the jay.
that the
Aren't people funny to be that way? Okay, एक बार फिर से प्रत्युष एक बार repeat again. Last paragraph. Last paragraph. Could you repeat please?
to be
No.
that way.
Think.
Thing said the robin, thing said the jay, and people funny aren't people funny
to be that way. Very good, Pratyush. Well done. Now, Akriti. Are you ready, Akriti? So let's sing together. Start. Sing.
Thing said the robin, thing said the jay,
Sitting
singing
in the garden. One day. Very good. Next para. Think about the people. The way
Think
they
about
go.
people,
The
the
way
way
they go.
though
They don't have a feather to all you know. Very good. Akriti, फिर से. First paragraph. First paragraph. Akriti, first paragraph. आकृति एक बार फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. ठीक है, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. थिंक said the robin, think said the jay. Okay, like this.
Thing said the robin, thing said the jay, singing,
Not singing,
in
sitting.
the garden,
Sitting on the garden.
sitting on the garden,
Not on, in. Sitting in the garden. Talking one day. Very good. Next para. Think about people.
About people,
The way
the
they
way
grow.
dipping row,
They don't. They don't.
the don't,
Not
the
the.
don't,
They don't
they don't
have a feather
have feather
to all
and
you know.
go.
Very good, very good. They don't have a feather to all you know. Third paragraph. Akriti, third paragraph. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wells and things. Very good. Akriti, practice karo. Okay, I will ask you. Jashvardhan, ready? Start.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
They said the robin.
No, think. Think, beta, think. Think.
Thing
The robin.
said the robin.
Think.
Thing said
Said
the jay.
Sitting
In the garden.
Talking one day.
Talking one day.
Very good.
Think
About the people. The way
about the people. The way
they grow.
they grow. The don't
Feather at all. You know.
know.
Very good. Third paragraph.
They don't eat bees
Beetles. Don't
They
growing.
don't growing.
They
They
don't
don't like
like sitting
sitting
back
on
and think.
and the thing
Very good. Think, think. Said
thing
the
said the
robin.
robin. Thing said the
Said the
jay.
jay. Aren't, aren't
Aren't
people
people
fond
funny
that
to,
jay?
to be
Wonderful,
that
wonderful.
way?
Sashti, wonderful performance, Josh. Sashti, are you ready?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Start, Sashti.
Thing said the robin. Thing said the jay.
Very good.
Thing
Eating.
sitting on the
No,
garden,
eating
talking one
in the
day,
garden. Sitting in the
sitting
garden.
in the garden, talking
One
one day.
Good.
Think about
Of the
people, the
people,
way they grow.
they
They
grow.
don't
They
have,
have
they
a
grow.
feather.
They don't have a feather at all,
All
you know.
know.
They,
Very good. Third
all
paragraph.
you know.
Very good. Third paragraph.
They don't eat beetles. They
Anthony,
don't grow
they
wings.
don't eat beetles. They don't eat beetles. They don't
They
grow
don't
wings.
eat a beetle. They don't grow wing.
Very good.
They don't like sitting on whereas and things. Think said the robin. Think said the jay.
Very good. Aren't
Aren't
people
people funny?
funny to be that
Aren't people
way?
funny to be that way?
Wonderful, wonderful. Next, Devyankshi. Are you ready, Devyankshi?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Along with your book. Book clear.
King in the row. King said the robin. King said the
किसी और को बोल रही थी मैं बोलती यस मैडम
yes.
दिव्यांशी आप मेरे साथ बोलो ओके दिव्यांशी sing with me
म्यूट
okay
माइक माइक मेरा अनम्यूट है पापा
आकृति प्लीज अनम्यूट करो चलो दिव्यांशी sing with me sing said the robin sing said the jay बोलो दिव्यांशी
Think in the robin. Think
said the
In the
robin think
in the
said the robin think said the jay sitting in the garden talking one day okay Devangshi repeat after me first paragraph फिर से repeat करो first paragraph
Okay, ma'am. Think said the robin. Think
said the jay
just
sitting in the garden
sit in the garden.
talking one day
Think
about the people
think in the about people
the way they grow
the bee is a bro.
very good then repeat after me think about the people the way they grow they don't have a feather at all, you know. Okay, Divyanshi? Practice, practice, practice से हो जाएगा. Okay. Now, आखिरी श्रेयाल चोपड़ा. श्रेयाल चोपड़ा.
Yes, ma'am.
Start. Think. Said the robin. Think.
Said the robin. Said the jay.
Very good.
Sitting
In the garden. Talking one day. Very good. Next.
About
Think
people.
about the people.
Grow.
They don't have a feather at all, you know. Next, third paragraph.
Don't have the feathers at all. The gone. Then don't eat bit less. Then don't grow wings. The don't like singing on.
Where and things. Okay, you just listen carefully. Shreya, एक बार third paragraph को सुनो.
Robin, they don't eat bit less. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting no way on wires and things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't the people first
funny to be that way? Very good, Shreya Chopra. Practice at home, okay? Practice at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Mokshita, start.
Yes, ma'am.
Start. Think, said the robin. Think,
Said the robin.
think,
Said the jay.
sitting in the garden. Talking one day.
Think about people, the way they
grow. They don't have a feather at all, you know. Okay. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on and thinking.
Things said the robin.
Said the robin. Think, said the jay.
Aren't
People funny to be that way. Very good, Mokshita. Vriddhi.
Ma'am,
Start.
things that the robin, things that the jay.
Very good.
Sitting in the garden.
Talking one day.
Talking one day.
Think
about
the people.
The way they grow. They don't have feathers at all. You know. They don't eat beetles. They do.
No, they don't grow
wings. They don't like sitting on the wires and
think. Good. Think.
Said
the robin. Think.
Twinkle.
Say the jay.
The jay.
Aren't people funny
to be that way?
Very good, very good. Well done. Who is left? Sarthak. Sarthak, are you there? Sarthak. Yes, Sarthak, start. Camera on. Camera, beta.
Think, said the robin. Think, said the Jack. Think,
Eating in the garden.
the garden. Talk one day. Think about a people.
The
The way
they grow.
the
They don't
then the
have a feather. Talk
the
snow.
on
Very good. Next, third paragraph. Third paragraph.
on the
They don't
they do
eat beetles.
it
They don't
they don't
grow weeds. They
grow
don't
wing
they
they
don't
don't
like
the
sitting on bench.
eating on the way on the thing
Very good. Think, said the robin. Think,
the
said
day
the jay.
around
People funny to be that way. Okay?
away.
Very good, Sarthak. Very good. Practice at home. Hannah, next day we will write word meaning, hard words. Okay? So, practice at home. Who is left? Shreyansh Jain. Shreyansh, are you ready? Shreyansh Jain, start. Bolo. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Bolo, Shreyansh. Where are you, Shreyansh? Shreyansh, unmute yourself. Start.
मैम कहाँ से बोलना है?
Starting. From starting. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay.
About से मैम. Think about से.
Hey, first paragraph. Think,
First
said the
paragraph.
robin. Chalo, start.
Think in the robin.
No. Think, said the robin. Said. Think.
Think in the robin.
In the नहीं है बेटा. Said the robin. Think, said the robin. Okay.
The robin. In the robin.
No, said the
In
robin.
the robin.
Think, said the jay.
Says Jay.
Sitting. Bolo.
Sitting in the
in the
garden.
garden. Talking
Sitting
one
in
day.
one day. Talk one day.
Next paragraph.
About the
Paragraph. Think,
way they grow. They don't have feathers at all. You know. They don't eat bee. They don't
beetle. They don't eat beetle. Beetle है बेटा. Beetle.
like sitting on wire.
श्रेयांश, look
Yes,
at me.
ma'am.
मेरे तरफ देखो श्रेयांश, आप मेरे तरफ देखो. Look at me.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको मेरे साथ रिपीट करना है. किसी और जगह से आप सुनोगे तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? दो जगह से आप नहीं सुन पाओगे. You have to listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay. Third paragraph. See the third paragraph. They don't eat beetle. They don't grow weeds. They don't like sitting on where and thing. Seansh, repeat after me. They don't
Yes.
eat beetle. Okay, they don't eat beetle. Now start.
Eat with no.
They don't
Eat don't
grow wings.
garden. No, we
They don't
don't
like sitting
like TV
on vans and things
on when
and thing
and
and thing.
thin.
Very good. एक बार फिर से repeat करो. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on where and things. Children, did you enjoy this poem? Eklavya, did you enjoy?
Yes, मैम मैंने एंजॉय किया बहुत ज्यादा और मैम मैंने
Enjoy
आपको
a
वीडियो
lot.
भेजा ना.
Say, I have enjoyed a lot.
I have enjoyed a lot, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am.
Time over. Tomorrow we will